Okay.
Okay.
We are doing popper things. I don't really know what they are exactly.
Cracker poppers.
Cracker poppers. Where's the box?
Never done them before.
Cracker poppers. That's not even what they're called.
Christmas
You made me
crackers.
lie to the camera. Alright, Tony, you can go first.
Christmas crackers.
I'm not gonna like this. Ooh!
And what you get?
I got the pan. Oh, decoration.
Well, decoration comes on them already. See?
Those go on
What
it
is it?
anyway. It's a
Oh, it's a pan. I thought it was a pan.
something you dropped, I think.
It's okay.
Gotta learn how to work it?
Oh well, try the next thing.
Mini screwdriver keychain.
Okay.
Oh, that's what it is.
It's supposed to be a mini screwdriver keychain.
Was that
Oh, I hate this.
Of course you get that one though, eh?
It is
Oh,
Eric's
okay.
turn now.
Eric, you have to go into the camera and do
Oh boy.
Tony, you have to get out of the camera.
it. No. Tony's like, no, I don't want to. I hate the sound.
Ooh.
You didn't even break it. You barely broke it open. What is it?
Two.
Lottery tickets.
The metallic alloy grass is made of wood. Seven.
That can't be it only. Oh, it's a hat, but you must get some mounts with the hat. You can't. See?
You just didn't open it up all the way.
Well, it broke on me.
And what did you get?
What is it? It's wrapped and wrapped again. They just keep wrapping it. Oh, how do I unwrap this?
There's nothing else in the pouch.
It's probably.
Oh, it's
Oh,
a
it's
bracelet thing. There you go, babe.
bracelet.
You can wear that.
It's a nice
Butterfly
one.
bracelet.
Yeah, it is nice.
Now it's your turn.
Oh God, I really don't want to do this. I don't
Well-
like popping noises.
Pop.
It didn't even pop for me.
Where's your jingle bells?
Oh, okay. Well, as long as it's just the jingle bells. Didn't even pop for me.
Well, hang on.
How you
It's
do
the
it?
same thing that happened to me.
Pop it. Grab that one.
No. Don't do
I
that.
was gonna say some of them could be.
I hate you.
No.
Here's another one for you, babe.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh,
The cards.
cards.
That's great.
That's cool.
Alright, go ahead, Marion.
1, 2,
Oh my
3.
Well. Oh no. Oh no.
Nail
Oh.
clippers.
Fish nail clippers.
Fish nails.
It's a mermaid.
It's a mermaid.
Do you want the clipper?
Some mermaid clippers for
I'm
your
good.
finest nails.
I want the next. Oh, wait and see. Nice try.
Okay, Eric.
No, it's
Tony?
Tony's turn. Go ahead, Tony. Oh, you. Ah.
How come it works for you?
It works for him, and then it just screws up for everyone else. Guess,
Gingerbread can opener.
look at that.
Are you putting your thumb on the cardboard?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was doing.
Yeah, I haven't been.
Eric's
Hold it.
Okay,
turn.
go ahead, babe.
Okay.
That's cool.
It's all up to you now.
See?
I hate it every time. I'm scared of loud
there's
noises.
like,
And
okay, so
the
I never
next
fold.
one got a tea leaf holder. tea
Hey!
infuser.
My mom would like that.
You
There
put
you
the tea leaves in it.
Yeah, and you. Yeah.
It's your turn, Val.
So that's pretty heavy. It's nice. It's cool.
Yeah, my brain's too stupid to be able to open that.
So, we need a pen, Eric.
Okay,
No,
so
fine.
do you put your fingers on this?
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
And fingers on that one. Yep. And then snapper.
So, all that's left.
Come on! Yank it.
All that's left. What the fuck?
That
murdered it.
is a wine corkscrew for bottle opener. You know, corkscrew for a bottle
Yeah.
of wine. Eric. Oh, it's my turn.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, that's actually really cool.
It is.
And it's magnetic.
Oh, mine's a lens cleaner.
Lens cleaner.
Yeah, you put your lens inside the
Oh.
middle,
Oh,
and then you clean your lens.
That's pretty cool.
See?
It's a weapon.
It's a lens cleaner.
I have a weapon.
That's quite
Okay,
nice
Eric.
one.
No,
that
you
was it.
two, Val.
Oh? Tom.
You and I got two
Alright, okay.
left.
Want to go at the same time then?
Yep. One.
Hold on.
Two.
I gotta find the thing.
Find your thingies.
Me too.
Okay.
Wait. 1, 2.
I can't. Oh, I couldn't do it. It wouldn't.
You got it. There we go.
It's a pen.
A pen.
Oh, I love how it came out too, and that was still wrapped around it.
That's wild.
That's awesome.
And I got one of those.
What is that?
Notepad thing.
No,
It's a name tag, isn't
It's
it?
a tag.
I thought it was a notepad thing.
It's like,
Look.
It's like a tag you put on like your suitcase and stuff.
See?
Look.
Yeah. You put it on like your
Luggage
suitcase.
tag.
When you go like camping or when you go
Down south.
out. And you guys go to
Down
Cuba
south.
when the borders open up. I like this
when,
pen.
When they open up.
You can't have this pen. No one can have this pen. It's mine. I steal.
Woo.
Yay! Poppers!
Yeah. So did you get these today? Or?
Yeah, we picked. Did you want the nail clipper?
I'm good.
Yeah, they're only $5.
Do you want the glass clipping?
They're only 15, so.
Kinda. But it's also useful for you.
No, we get cleaners.
Yeah, they have like stuff. The desk can go in the fridge.
That is kind of cool. Yeah, get over here.
It's very heavy. Can you not?
Oh,
You're not very good at this.
there we go.
Marion, you want a crown?
Your birthday hat.
It's
No.
not my birthday anymore, babe.
I know.
But you're giving me one anyway.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Hey, sneaking away.
Aw, nice.
You gotta wear yours. So what you do with that is
Yeah, you just take it out and then you.
then the instructions, and then you just hold it, and then you.
All right, I was
Yep.
putting this somewhere. Well, perfect. We don't even use corks.
That
For your
could go to your mom.
Okay, I'll give it to him.
What I'm gonna do? I